Welcome, welcome to Rahul Texture Art. Take a gentle breath, slowly awaken your inner artist. It has always been there, quietly waiting beneath the noise of everyday life. You are only one small step away from beginning. Gather your colors, gather your texture, gather your palette knife, and most importantly, gather your curiosity. Today we are not chasing perfection. We are simply allowing creativity to unfold. Let the artistic journey begin. Layer by layer, one layer at a time. There is no need to rush. Every layer carries its own story. Every layer teaches something new. Sometimes we smile. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we surprise ourselves. And that is the real fun of creating. The canvas slowly becomes a beautiful conversation. Between your hands and your imagination. As the palette knife begins to move, it feels less like painting and more like dancing. Every gentle movement creates its own rhythm. Every sweep leaves behind a graceful footprint. Just as footsteps remain on soft earth, the knife leaves beautiful impressions upon the texture. The floor remembers the dancer. The canvas remembers the artist. Dance freely. The texture understands every movement. Now comes a simple little bottle cap, such an ordinary object, yet filled with extraordinary possibilities. As it touches the texture, it also begins to dance, round after round, softly spinning across the surface. Now comes the cutting stage. Slow, steady, precise. Every cut is made with complete awareness, almost like the careful hands of a skilled surgeon, removing only what is unnecessary, preserving everything that gives life. Each line brings greater definition. Each incision creates stronger character. Sometimes, beauty appears not by adding, but by carefully taking away. Now let us create gentle patterns. Watch how one small mark invites another. Simple lines become movement. Movement becomes harmony. Some patterns remind us of flowing water. Now we build a second layer, a double-layered textured abstract. Do not hesitate. Trust the process. Allow the texture to become bold. Allow it to become deep. Nature has always known how to shape mountains, rivers, and ancient stones. Today, let nature guide your artwork too. Place your trust in the journey. Beautiful things often appear when we stop trying to control everything. Some patterns remind us of flowing water. Others resemble ancient rocks. Some appear like gentle winds crossing desert sands. Now we wait. The drying begins. Nothing appears to be happening. Yet everything is changing. Patience becomes part of the artwork. The texture settles. The layers become stronger. Sometimes silence is also creative work. The canvas quietly prepares itself for the next beautiful chapter. Before adding another color, pause for a moment. Look closely. Feel the texture, not only with your eyes, but with your heart. Notice every ridge, every valley, every tiny elevation. Texture is not only something we see, it is something we experience, something we almost want to touch. Now black arrives. Acrylic black. Calm, powerful, mysterious. It quietly enters every corner, creating beautiful shadows, creating distance, creating depth. Without darkness, light cannot fully reveal itself. Now burnt umber joins hands with black. Together they begin a graceful dance. Neither tries to overpower the other. Instead, they support one another. Warm earth embraces silent darkness. They play together. They move together, creating rich natural harmony. Like two old friends, sharing the same artistic journey. Now comes a gentle white coat, not to hide the texture, but to celebrate it. White softly travels across every raised surface, revealing every beautiful detail. The artwork suddenly begins to breathe. Every highlight carries fresh energy. Every touch of white becomes an artistic expression of light meeting form. After a long journey, beige quietly arrives. Soft, warm, peaceful. It carries the calmness of sand, the warmth of stone, the comfort of morning light. It gently connects every color together, creating balance, creating elegance, creating quiet harmony. Now pure white returns. Bright, fresh, peaceful. It gently lightens everything it touches. Darkness slowly becomes softer. Contrast becomes more beautiful. The artwork begins to glow. Sometimes, a single touch of pure white can completely transform the mood of a painting. Once again, black returns, not to dominate, but to search for greater depth. It quietly settles into hidden spaces, giving strength to every texture, creating powerful contrast. Just enough darkness to make every highlight shine even brighter. Balance is always the true artist. Now burnt umber gently replaces a few darker areas. The strong shadows become warmer. The transitions become softer. The painting feels more natural, more welcoming, more alive. Warm earth quietly embraces every surface, bringing comfort without losing the beautiful depth beneath. Now comes another gentle kiss of pure white, a soft blessing upon the highest textures. Every raised surface catches the light. Every highlight sparkles with new life. The canvas smiles once again. Sometimes, the smallest touch creates the greatest transformation. And finally, the magical touch, metallic bronze. A quiet shimmer appears. As light moves across the canvas, the artwork begins to glow from within. Every angle reveals something different. Every reflection tells a new story. A final blessing for an unforgettable creation. And now, the reveal. A stunning, never before textured abstract art on canvas, created step by step with acrylic painting, texture, patience, and expressive palette knife techniques. This is not simply a finished painting, it is the visible memory of every layer, every pause, every movement, and every quiet moment of creation. Thank you for sharing this peaceful artistic journey with me. Thank you for being a part of Rahul Texture Art. May today's painting inspire your own creative path. Awaken your inner artist. Remember, nothing is completely right. Nothing is completely wrong. There is only exploration. There is only expression. There is only joy. Until we meet again, keep creating. Keep wondering. Keep awakening the artist within you.